Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are giving you a tour of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, and we are by 7 miles in Bull Bay. Now this is the dual carriageway, and this is where they're going to put in the lights, the light poles, the street lights. So there you can see everything is done by China Harbour Engineering Company, who is the contractor. Let me put up the window because the audio is going to be terrible, but I just want to show you this. This is where the street lights are going to go. Okay, so along this roadway now from Harborview to Yalos, you're going to have street lights. The contractor has done that section like what you saw there a while ago, and then JPS will now come in and put in the street lights. JPS, they are responsible. The traffic lights, it's actually China Harbour Engineering Company that puts them up, and then the NWA will commission them into service. But for the street lights, it is JPS. So what you saw there is the pole sticking out of the Jersey barrier. That's what the contractor has done. So it's now up to JPS. Now JPS said the poles, the lights should start going in. We can drive down here and show you some more of it. Okay, so there you see the Jersey barrier. Now before, the street lights were on these light poles that you see on the left of the road, but they are now going in the middle of the road because it's a dual carriageway. And there you see the pipe sticking out with the electrical wire. That is where the light pole, the street lights are going. Now JPS said the lights have arrived into the country, and they said it would be 2 weeks and then they start installing them. So I'm not sure if it's this week would make the 2 weeks or next week, but they will be installed very soon. And there you can see the space for it. Now it's very good that they're putting street lights on this road. Now Bull Bay is a very populated area, so it's going to be, I guess, a difference of night and day. But it's good that they have putting in the street lights, because most highways in Jamaica, like Highway 2000, they don't have street lights. But you can understand why, because it is Highway 2000 goes from Kingston to Mandeville, so it would be very expensive to have street lights on that road. Although it's a toll road, so they would make it back. So I'm kind of curious why they don't have them. This is not a toll road now, so I'm not sure who pays this light bill. Probably the municipal corporation, I don't know. But the good thing is they have street lights. There you can see it's quite a few street lights going up to, I must say, because wherever you see this, like the pole sticking out of the barricade, that's where the street light is going. So it's very good. Have to give credit to the government, because they could have easily built this road and not included street lights. And with the new technology that exists, LED and solar, I'm kind of surprised that more roads in Jamaica don't have street lights. More of these highways. Now, unfortunately, you have instances of people stealing the lights. I have no idea how they get to them or why, but the JPS announced Palisades Strip. Palisades Strip, the road that takes you to the airport, the international airport in Jamaica. In January, they installed 17 street lights. 17! And by August of this year, 15 out of the 17 were stolen. Now that is not good at all. Oh, we did a video on it, and people were commenting that how would they get so high, and how would a criminal get to go up, and because these streetlights are high up in the air, and it's definitely something to think about. Now, with far more streetlights going up on this road, there you can see some paving equipment, and its equipment actually has check on it, so they're doing the actual paving there. they have a lot of local contractors that do a very good job at paving. Right, so I'm hoping that since this area is far more populated than Palisades Strip, that they won't interfere with the street lights when they go up. But 15 out of the 17 street lights were stolen. Unbelievable. And as I was saying, as some subscribers said, how do the people get up there to steal the lights and nobody see them? With all the technology that exists today in terms of cameras, I'm hoping that they will install cameras along this roadway. There you can see some more. Every time you see the break in the Jersey barrier, that is where the street light is going. So as I said, quite a few. It's progress for Jamaica. Very nicely done. We'll keep you guys updated on the installation of the street lights. Now we have a video up of the installation of the stoplight up by Grand Spence, so you can check it out. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.